Enter the captivating world of Hair Luminance and discover the transformative power it holds for your hair. Within the pages of this revolutionary guide, uncover a wealth of easy-to-follow recipes and expert advice designed to nourish and strengthen your locks from the inside out. Feel a sense of anticipation and excitement as you embark on this journey towards hair rejuvenation. With Hair Luminance as your companion, embrace the thrill of experimentation and discovery. Feel empowered as you explore the endless possibilities of natural hair care, knowing that each recipe you try brings you one step closer to the vibrant, beautiful hair you desire. Let the wisdom of Hair Luminance inspire you to take control of your hair's destiny and embrace a healthier, more holistic approach to hair care. With each page you turn, feel a renewed sense of confidence and purpose, knowing that you have the power to transform your hair from the inside out. Trust in the transformative power of Hair Luminance to revolutionize your hair care routine and unlock your hair's true potential. With dedication and perseverance, watch as your hair undergoes a miraculous transformation, becoming a shining testament to the beauty that lies within. Let Hair Luminance be your guide on